Hey everyone, something really cool today. This is the Elite Force official HK UMP 45 gas blowback submachine gun. As you can see, this is very compact. This folding stock makes it very easy to keep this package small, light, and quick. To deploy that stock, just pull up and swing it out. To fold the stock again, press this big button back here and swing it shut. It indexes on this small ledge here, keeping it in place. This is made of high-strength nylon reinforced polymer. Along the top, you have a Picatinny rail section for optics mounting. I chose to use the iron sights. They're basically the same thing that's on the G36C. These are a little different in that the rear sight looks more like a pistol rear sight. Down here you have your grip, a very large trigger guard. So if you're doing a night shoot or something in the winter and you need to wear gloves, you have plenty of room. Your safety selector is ambidextrous and gives you the option of safe, semi, 2-round burst, or full auto. The trigger on the UMP is pretty well disguised behind the recoil simulation system. It has a paddle magazine release. The paddle is here in front of your trigger guard. Just activate that with your thumb, grab your magazine, rip it out, put the fresh one in. Who doesn't love a good HK slap? You have 3 Picatinny rail sections up here on the front. This is good for mounting accessories, but also really beefs up this handguard and gives you something to grab onto. Now, you may need to take a stronger hold than you would expect. This has a recoil simulation system inside, and I gotta tell you, it does give you some pretty good recoil. With this compact design, this would be a great sidearm for maybe a sniper. With .20 BBs, you'll be seeing about 345 feet per second. It uses a short type motor with a version 3 gearbox.